Hello everybody, here is a whole Breeze Southlake ceiling fan. This one is the small Southlake. This one I got at Animation last month, like a month and a half ago, about a month and a half, like a month and some days maybe, something like that. Actually today is April 30th, 2019. And tomorrow will be May of 2018. So, this one can be in other finishes. This one can be a 36-inch one in white. This one is an indoor-outdoor fan, so you can use it for outdoors and indoors. And there is a 52-inch Southlake too. So I finally always want a Southlake. So the 52-inch one was made first, then the 36-inch ones were made in 2011 or 12, one of the two, I think 2011. There are some hard race fans made by Fanimation once again. One thing I'd already show you installation on And this one, and then, you know, that hard race was made from Lowe's. These used to be sold at Lowe's, and now they got discontinued. So, it's a pretty small fan. So, alright, I'm gonna go ahead and show you it up close. And also, the vents also remind me of the Fanimation Cancun, actually, because this one is definitely Fanimation, because I can tell by the vents, and it's like the Fanimation Cancun, except the Cancun is a little bit different, but it's about the same. Oh, here are the pole trains. Light. Oh, and arborvitae's on both sides. Oh, it has the cover on there so that way water doesn't get into the wire, so it doesn't be electrocuted. This one spins pretty fast. So go ahead and turn on low. Or let me start with the light first. As you can see, let me show you the bulb real quick. And we'll turn this off. Upward. There's the bulb. Because when you take it out of the box, there's a little piece of styrofoam you have to be careful with, so that way fingerprints don't get on it. Well, anyway, I want to start with the demonstration. So we're on low. Just medium. Pretty quiet. Blows a lot of air for a small fan like this. There's high. Look how fast this thing spins. This thing spins incredibly fast. Turn the light. I'll go and turn it off. I'll go ahead and reverse the fan. Actually, I'm wrong. I apologize. This one, if you listen closely, doesn't make a little noise, so it's not that bad, but. To medium. I'll turn it on. Turn it off. Oh, let me turn the light first. I'll do a spin down. Yeah, I love these type of fans. So the first Southlake was made without the light kit. At first, unless they did, which... Okay, so the first Southlake they made was without the light kit. I think this... Well, the 2010 one, that was made without the light kit at first. And in 2011, they actually made another one with a light kit. And they include 2 other new ones. This fan and the black one and the white one. Actually, the white Southlake was not at my local store, but the black one was. So. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoy. Bye.